Hi folks, welcome back to Physics with Captain Rod. I'm making this one to help you out with Unit 4-1, number 14. So as we look at the picture here, basically this is supposed to be, this is a free body of a human jaw, basically. And really it's just a matter of, let's see, what do we know, what do we don't know? Find T and R if somebody bites down with a 55.3 Newton force. They're talking about this one, I guess, chewing force or something. So that's a known value. So this problem has two unknowns, right? We don't know T, we don't know R, so it cannot be solved with one equation. You need two. And this is the type of problem that torque is so beautiful for. Again, torque has this just beautiful property that whatever point you choose, that force will not show up. So a good thing to do maybe would be this green dot here. And the reason is the tension backtracks through the green dot and it won't show up in a torque equation. So then you write an equation, sum of all torques, I like to even do this, about the green dot equals 0. I just generally stick to counterclockwise positive. Right? And just go through these forces one at a time. You've got this force times this distance counterclockwise, right? And then again, this force doesn't produce any torque. If you want to put a 0 in that equation for that, you can. And then you've got this force times this distance. It might look a little funny in the picture, but the force R acts all along this line. This is the correct distance you need because it makes a right angle to the line of action. So when you write out that equation, it should go right here, and don't forget equals 0. You should be able to solve for that. Then what I would do is write another torque equation about, I'll put a blue dot right here. And then this one won't show up in that equation. You'll have this force times this distance, and then you'll have this force times this distance, and then equals 0, again with the appropriate plus and minus signs. And then to check your work, once you find T and R, you should be able to add all these forces and get 0. Sum of all forces, y direction should be 0. You've got one force up, two forces down. And anyway, that should get you by. By the way, now, notice this says magnitude of R, magnitude of T. So you're just putting positive numbers in these spots and not worrying about directions. All right, so that should definitely, I hope, get you through number 14. Have a great day.